This is September's vlog by Ceri Evans.
Welcome to September. Autumn has begun and I am in London for a shoot today. Tonight, rather.
Can we have you in shot, Vanessa?
I've got some time before I go back to Wales this afternoon, so I am in Camden for a little bit.
I did last year.
I'm just building a fence. You're getting a dog.
Let's go make a movie.
And you just love when you're stuck behind a tractor.
Oh, they got new flags!
We're here,
Bag.
stuck on the roof of a chocolate factory near Carmarthen. Need to get a ladder to get me down.
Bye.
You gonna feel? Have a feel. Go on,
That feels nice.
have a good feel. Yeah, anytime. It smells different on everyone that wears it. The first person wearing it can't smell it. That's really cool.
So I am at the Nom Nom Chocolate Factory in Llanboidy near Carmarthen for the next few days because we're shooting a short film here. I was back here in April and a couple of weeks ago, and it's going to be mad, but it's going to be fun.
He's probably my go-to. In my opinion, he's the best voice ever.
James.
Just in case.
Ow. Alright, it's fine.
Shoot day 2 today. Just woke up. It's 4.
It's too thin.
Right, Nath. All those years at the gym when you were younger.
Alright, yeah, I see. It's looking like it's spotted as well. Do you want to like flood it a bit more than that?
And we roll.
Beans.
Just cold out of a tin.
Beans, yeah.
Right, not so much. Which way? Just into the tree.
That's a wrap. That's a wrap.
This is Humbug Jones, and I guess you'd call him the mascot. Wrapped the film last night, now it's time to go home. I'm in IKEA, it's got things, some of them work. That shouldn't work. It does work though. Barry Island, look, it's Barry Island.
That's not going anywhere, you cheeky bastard.
Oh, you're not getting this on film, are you?
I mean, I know it's probably going to look a bit ridiculous, but it's kind of okay.
That was a great shot, but I wasn't recording.
Oh, look at that. Is that dynamic range?
Incredible. Fucking autumn. We're shooting a film today for a bit.
Don't you stop it!
That's all we need.
Fuck yeah. I'm in the car with Karis and Dean. We're going to go and record a cover. I've just dropped off a bunch of stuff with James because I'm going to Cardiff tonight and then I'm going to London later in the week to do a shoot and then I'll be back next week. Let's do it. I'm at Dean's nan's house. We're going to record a cover of some music. Black Klansman. Just fucking go and see it. Actually, it's too late now. Just watch it on iTunes or Netflix. Pretty windy today. I'm shooting off to London to the NFTS, but I might go see a film because I've got a few hours in Cardiff free before my bus. Don't know what yet. A simple. I went to go see A Simple Favour with Anna Kendrick, Blake Lively, directed by Paul Feige, and I mean, it was okay. It was okay. I wouldn't spend too much money going to see it, but you know, it fills 2 hours-ish. Tree down.
Do you know what? Blue sky?
Yes.
Boom. Yeah, I can get my hand too.
Shit. Just did a couple of commercials and I was pre-lighting a mansion for a game show today, but now we're heading back to London.
Oh my god. I've lost my keys.
Just went to UCL to see my girlfriend Zoe, who's just started studying there, but it's currently 6 AM and I've had an overnight bus a couple of 100 miles back to Swansea because I'm shooting in Carmarthen today, so I've got to get a lift.
Oh, wake up!
Will it be okay if our actor walking up the field? Yeah.
I am now already thinking, let's just rewrite the entire fucking thing.
I've just had the best idea for a sketch show.
Holy shit.
Do you know how you even have to shoot shit?
Shooting a short sketch advertisement with Matty today in a kitchen in a local fancy house.
Fried carrot.
Well, Mick has to work with shrimp, carrot, parsnip, and 4 cans of Foster's.
Where's your shoes gone? Yeah, I don't wear shoes in the kitchen. It helps me feel more grounded while I'm cooking, chef.
Freedom, freedom.
It's my favourite spot cream.
What are we doing? Oh. Our burgers.